Super mom and super.
ClearSantiago.com po yung blog site. It's a lifestyle blog po. Hindi lang pang mommy.
Okay.
O hindi lang mommy parenting ang kino-cover ko, hindi lifestyle na rin po. Doc, at tanong ko lang, ito po ba yung first time na mag-launch na itong I Am Week?
Yes, for I Am Week, yes.
Okay.
Because we've been declared by DOH it has been recognized by DOH some within the last 2 months pa lang. And we're also working on the national government to recognize it nationally as an executive order, but we're still working on that. So nauna yung DOH to recognize it this year pa lang.
This year. So,
and every year it will be celebrated.
Yeah, so how important po ba na magkaroon ng awareness ang public about internal
kasi napansin namin we're being very strong in the medical community. We're 14,000 strong in membership, almost 14,000. Pero may mga Pilipino na pag tinanong mo, ano po ba ang internist? So, hindi nila alam kung sino internist. And most would seek subspecialty care kagad. When in fact, these are internists as well. I'm not saying that they should not go there to them because internists din naman sila. So, kaya lang nagiging highly specialized ang approach when even these specialists or subspecialists are internists primarily. So, gusto naming makilala kami ng common tao. Parang pag sinabi mong doktor, PMA, doktor. Pero pag sinabi mong doktor na adult, that's the internist.
So, how would you describe po doon sa mga karaniwang tao para mas maintindihan nila sino ba or ano ba yung internist?
Okay, ang internists are the physicians or mga doktor ng adults. Of course, may pediatrician. Ang cut-off, I think, is 21 years old. Beyond 21 years old, adult na yan. So, ang care should be an internist. Not that we're saying the general practitioner cannot take care of the adult patients, but we take care of the diseases in adults, especially the more complicated diseases. Sa level 2 care for adults with diseases. So yun ang internist. And ano ba yung internist? Hindi po kami yung taga-opera. We take care and we diagnose, we help, we manage diseases. Kaya nga, nung una sabi nila, bakit internal organs, no? Andyan yung heart, andyan yung lungs, andyan yung liver, andyan ang kidneys, andyan yung tungkol sa diabetes. So, the internists take care of that. Pero hindi porke internal organs, internist, no? It's diseases of the adult. Kaya kami.
So, yun pala. So, mas malinaw na yun ngayon. It's internist for the adult. Yan. Parang kayo yung counterpart ng pediatrician. Parang ganun po. So, last na lang po, message na lang po siguro sa mga kababayan natin na naka-follow po.
Ang internist or ang physician for the adults, we not only take care of diseases. Gusto namin yung whole spectrum of the health of an individual or Filipino, will take care of it. And that starts from education, prevention, early consult or early diagnosis, treatment, which is curative, and then we manage kung may kailangan i-hospitalize, and then you take care also of post-illness care, follow-up for chronic illnesses, and rehabilitation for an illness. To us, at this stage, aligned with the HERO project, that is Health Education Reform Order. We want prevention. We want to be active on it. Hindi porke kumikita kami sa konsulta ng mga taong may sakit, mga adults may sakit, hindi na kami aware or hindi na kami concerned to prevent diseases. Ayaw naming mapunta sa end stage illness or sa serious phase of that disease.
So,